Okay, we can hear that train whistle, but again, no track light. They should be approaching that circuit really soon. Beautiful Saturday morning here though, Andover, Mass. Without the track light, we won't see anything, so I don't know what's going on. Delay, delay, delay. One of those mornings. I would have been able to get another video with the drone, but the trains were delayed and the battery started dying, and I was like, okay, I can try to switch batteries here and try to get it recalibrated, but for right now I was happy just to get a video out of it. Oh, there we go with the track light. So we got the Amtrak down east that will be coming soon, and we'll be standing by here.